Okay, so hi everyone, I'm Angela, and in this presentation, I will be demonstrating my work for the AOL process improvement assignment. And then I will explain the current AOL process and also the improvement that I made using Excel automation. And finally, I will show you my Power BI dashboard and its main features. So first, the problem statement. The focus of this project is to improve the assurance of learning or AOL reporting process. In this assignment, the AOL process is used by the university to measure whether students have achieved the intended learning outcomes for each unit. However, the original process was manual and inefficient. So we had to fill in AOL reports for every unit one by one in text format and then manually transfer all the data into an Excel master list. And this manual process was time consuming, repetitive, and prone to human errors, especially when there were many units to process. So as a result, we will spend too much time doing repetitive data entry instead of analyzing results. So my goal for this project was to automate the AOL process using Excel VBA and create an interactive Power BI dashboard to make reporting faster, easier, and more accurate. And this is my AOL reporting process before improvement and also after improvement. So here is the before improvement process. The user had to manually enter data into AOL report and then save the file, and then re-enter the same data into the master list, and also before finally creating the dashboard. And in our after improvement process, everything has been automated. The user only need to click two buttons, one to generate all LL reports and another to import them into the master list. So these Excel macros automatically fill in the data and save the results. And this removes the repetitive manual work, save times, and also ensures the data accuracy. And this is the AOL report template. Previously it is empty, it's blank, but now it's already filled in with the data from the list of outcome units file. Then we go to the list of outcome units file, and there's one button called generate, and we just need to click this button, and it will ask us to select the template Excel file. Then we just select the AOL report template and click open. And when we go back to the AOL report template, it will automatically fill in all these columns with the data from the list of unit outcomes. And then we go to the master list blank. Then now we try to import the data from the AOL report just now. Then we click import button, and there are one folder called new folder, which includes the 10 individual AOL reports. Then we click OK. And we just need to wait for a while. Then it shows that all forms imported successfully. So we already successfully import all the data, all the individual AOL report into the master list by just clicking one button called import. And so before automation, this process took hours and was prone to data entry mistakes. But now, after automation, it now takes only a few seconds and produce accurate results every time. And this shows how Excel macros and VBA can make the AOL process much faster, easier, and also more reliable. And now we switch to the Power BI dashboard. And this is a dashboard that I created. And after consolidating all the data in Excel, I imported the master list into Power BI, which is Microsoft Business Intelligence and Data Visualization tool. And it allows users to run raw data into interactive visuals, such as charts, tables, and also dashboard. And it can automatically update the visuals when the data changes, and it's much easier to explore and analyze information compared to static Excel charts. And here's the dashboard I created. It contains 7 visuals that shows the AOL results from different perspectives. For example, this chart shows the overall trend by year, and it helps us to see how the percentage of students meeting or exceeding expectations changes over time. And also, for example, the second one, it compares the results by course level, highlighting the differences between undergraduate and also postgraduate units. And also, for example, this one, the third chart, it displays the results by majors, helping us to identify which majors are performing well and which need improvement. And also, I added the interactive slices for year, course level, and also the course, the major, the delivery location, and also the benchmark. For example, when I click on Bachelor of Accounting, it will automatically and instantly update to the visual will instantly update to reflect that data. And this interactive makes it much easier for us to analyze specific groups of data without creating multiple reports. For example, we click on 2022, it will automatically show out all the data there related to year 2022. So overall, the Power BI transformed the raw AOL data into a clear, meaningful, and also interactive dashboard that supports data-driven decision making. So from this dashboard, we can easily identify all the data and also which maybe like which units or major falls below the 75% benchmark and which require further attention. And it also highlights the trends over time and supports discussions about improving learning outcomes. So through this process and also the project, I learned how automation and business intelligence tools can make administrative work more efficient and help educators make data-driven decisions. And this experience has shown me the importance of using technology to improve accuracy and save time in academic processes. So to sum up, I have automated the AOL report generation and data consolidation process using Excel VBA, and also developed an interactive Power BI dashboard to visualize and analyze the results effectively. And this new system saves time, reduces manual errors, and supports continuous improvement of student learning outcomes. And that's all from me. Thank you very much for watching my presentation.